The figure below is made up of 5 identical semicircles. So where's the 5? Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Overlapping a square, which is obviously here. Find the total area of the shaded part. Okay, for the benefit of the students who are watching this video and also for the parents who are watching this video, right? I'm going to draw this figure again. Okay, okay, let's go ahead and draw a circle. Oh yeah, my circle is pretty alright. Okay, then a semicircle. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line down here first, a line down here, then we'll draw a semicircle over here, and then there will be the square that they mentioned. Okay, pretty decent, not too bad, right? Okay, so I'm going to shade this portion, and then this portion, this portion, this portion, and then this portion. So they're asking us for the area of the shaded part. To find the area of the shaded part, right? Okay, now look at this particular shaded part I'm referring to. This one, can I move it inside here? Can, right? So I'll move it inside here. This one, can I move it inside here? Yes, I can move it inside here. Which means what? It will just be one full square. Okay, and one semicircle. So do not go and find like each component and then add them up. That's a very silly way of doing. Now it's given that this is 12 and it's a square. So can I just find the area of the square first? So I'm going to put square will be 12 multiplied by 12 because you'll be taught that in school. So that will give us 144 cm square. Let's find the area of this semicircle. So this semicircle, right? I'm just going to write this. Will be half multiplied by the area of a circle. What's the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square, right? So pi r square. So times r times r. They said leave your answer in terms of pi, which means that you don't need to put in 22/7 or 3.14. So half times pi times, what's the radius? This is 12, and this 12 is the diameter of the circle. Therefore, the radius is half of it, which means we are talking about this, and this will be half of 12. This will be 6, so multiply by 6. So 6 times 6 will give us 36. 36 times half, which means 36 divided by 2 will give us 18, so it's 18 pi. So what's the total area? Total area will be this 18 pi plus 144. Okay, cannot simplify this any further because like what I told you many times, 18 pi cannot be added to 144 because they're different things altogether. Okay, so remember to shift the area. Once you shift the area, your working is going to be a lot shorter compared to if you try to find each of them individually. I mean, which you can, but I'm not going to do it now. Yeah. Okay, done.